We are so happy that the majority of the justices ruled on the right side of history today.
We've been working for 49 years to show that life from conception to natural death is valued.
Let me be clear. Abortion is still legal in Michigan, and our doors are open.
So I cannot promise you that we will win this fight. But what I can promise you is that I will do everything in my power as a woman, as a Michigander, and as your governor to protect women's reproductive rights in Michigan.
Historic ruling. Roe v. Wade overturned. Abortion now illegal in multiple states, a list that is expected to grow in the coming days.
The ruling sparking protests outside the Supreme Court. And here in West Michigan, pro-abortion rights activists gathering right now in Grand Rapids and Kalamazoo. Thank you for staying with us on our continuing coverage. I'm Susan Shaw.
And I'm Brian Sterling. Our team spread out tonight getting reaction to today's news. We did want to start by focusing in on what this ruling means for abortions in Michigan. Kyle Mitchell kicks us off tonight.
Brian, an injunction by the Court of Claims in our state means women can still get an abortion in Michigan while that case moves through the court system. It's preventing a 1931 ban from going into effect. With the U.S. Supreme Court overturning Roe v. Wade and passing the issue back to the states.
We do have a law in the books from 1931.
Kyla Stepp, an attorney and assistant professor at CMU who specializes in constitutional law, says an injunction by the Court of Claims is preventing abortion from becoming criminalized in the state from a law passed 91 years ago.
It makes abortion a criminal offense, depending on who we're talking about. It can be anywhere from a misdemeanor up to a felony. So it's actually a pretty strict and pretty punitive law compared to a lot of state laws on abortion.
Stepp says ultimately the matter will likely be decided by the Michigan Supreme Court. The legislature could pass any laws concerning the issue at any time.
If, in fact, that injunction is overturned and the law comes back into effect, certainly county prosecutors and city prosecutors could charge people under this law if they want to.
Governor Whitmer has also filed a lawsuit challenging the 1931 law. Today she filed a motion urging the state Supreme Court to quickly take up her legal challenge.
Would I like to see the Michigan Supreme Court rule in favor of the governor? Do I think she has excellent arguments? Yes.
Attorney General Dana Nessel says her office will not enforce a ban on abortion.
I am not going to seek to discipline, to suspend, to revoke the license of any medical professional who is properly trained in performing abortions or prescribing abortion medication, and then who proceeds to do that. I will not involve my office in that.
She says the overturning of Roe v. Wade shows the need for voters to support a ballot initiative.
I think really what people need to be doing is thinking long term, and to do so, all you have to do is get this ballot proposal passed. And I think that is the best way, the easiest way to ensure that these fundamental rights are codified into Michigan's Constitution, not just for now, but for, years or decades to come.
There's no timetable for when the Michigan Supreme Court could potentially take up the cases. So for now, the Court of Claims injunction blocking the ban remains in effect.